Hey traders, in this video I'm going to talk about what a trade plan is in just the simplest way. Let's not complicate this. I know when I was learning it was very complicated to really understand what a trade plan is, because when you would search online there'd be 100 different ways, and I'm going to tell you what I believe a trade plan is. Not saying it's the right or the wrong way, but it's just something that I've done over my career to keep it very simple. So before we jump into it, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, let me know in the comments if you have a trade plan and if you're sticking with it. So also, if you are into looking for any mentoring or coaching, I do offer a coaching service for the stock market, S&P, Emini futures, things like that. It's only $40 an hour or 3 hours for $99. More information at daytradingfearless.com. But let's jump right into this video. So what exactly is a trade plan according to Jason, aka Day Trading Fearless, right? A trade plan is having a trade setup. Understand what you're looking for as a trade setup. That's it. Keep it simple. For me, one of my trade plans is doing the divergence trade setup, right? It's my bread and butter. It's something that I've focused on for years and years, and I've perfected it to what works for me and myself, right? Now, I do teach it, kind of how to do the day trade divergence, right? But with that being said, it's one of those things where all I look for is when the stochastic gets oversold, price gets oversold, but then there's a bounce, price makes a new low, the stochastic actually makes a higher low. Okay, I look for the trade setup of what I call a kickback, right? Does it always happen? No. Sometimes price just goes and keeps going and never gets the kickback. Other times I'm able to get the kickback and I'm able to manage my risk. That essentially is what my trade plan is, right? Or one part of it. The second part is, how do I manage risk with that trade plan? Well, I know exactly where my entry goes before I enter. I know exactly where my stop loss is, which would be below the low of the candle. And I know exactly where my target is, where I look for 2 points on every single trade. That's it. That is my entire trade plan. When the trade sets up, I know exactly where I want to enter my trade. I know exactly where my target is, and I know where my stop loss is before I even enter the trade. And as I'm able to do all that, I'm able to kind of take that trade a lot easier. I have less anxiety, right? Because I go, I'm either going to be right or right out of the trade. It's almost like playing a hand of blackjack, right? You're either going to win or you're going to lose, and you're going to know pretty quickly if it works or not, right? And that's it with my trade. So to sum this video up, a trade plan is, we'll call it 2 parts, okay? Part 1 is, what is your trade setup on using the charts, trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergence, whatever it is you use. What are the rules around it? Okay. And then the second part of your trade plan should be, what is my risk management? Before I enter this trade, where's my entry, where's my target, and where's my stop loss? Those 3, that's all you need, and you abide by those rules. And as you get better and better with your trade setup, right, hopefully you start to win more trades than you lose. So hopefully this video helps. Again, let me know in the comments if you guys have a trade plan and if you stick by it, or if you want more videos like this. Just let me know. But as always, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll talk to you soon.